Hello friends, and welcome to another video. Today I am bringing some pantry meal inspiration, and for this meal I am making a rice bake thing. I added in some sour cream, a can of cream of chicken soup. I had half of a packet of spinach dip, powdered spinach dip, and then I just stirred that all together with adding my broth, and then I did add this can of turkey that I had. I should have added a little bit more broth to this probably because I was having a hard time getting the rice to be soft. And then the garden has been booming lately, and I'm getting so much lettuce, which has been so fun. And I did chop up this garlic chives to put on top of my rice dish. And then I had a loaf of sourdough bread in the freezer, and we had that for dinner, so it was really yummy. So for this meal, my husband took over and cooked me dinner, and he decided to make some burritos. We had these two random cuts of steaks, and we're getting kind of low on meat in the freezer, so we've just been trying to get creative and use what we have. So we decided to cook these steaks up and kind of just slice them up for like steak burritos. And he fried up some purple onion with some corn that we had in the freezer. Now, as you guys probably notice, I'm all about using up what's in my fridge and freezer first, and then I go to the pantry. I really do kind of plan my meals around like what I need to use up. So for this, I had that frozen corn in the freezer forever, and it was starting to get freezer burned, and then I had a half of an onion, so we needed to use that up, and this was dinner that night, and my husband did an awesome job. Okay, so for this meal, I've probably shown this a few times before, but it was a really cold day that day, and it was going to be probably the last soup of the season, so I decided to make taco soup. Now, you can see how easy taco soup can be. You can literally use everything from your pantry if you wanted to, if you had ground meat canned or just a lot of items. So I chose to do pork here, I believe, and we just fried that up and just added all of my taco soup ingredients, and it turned out really good, and it was kind of a nice way to end the cold weather and kind of move on to this warmer spring weather we've been having. Plus, I just needed a really quick and easy meal this night, and so we made some taco soup, because it's always a hit. Okay, so for this last meal, I decided to make some meatloaf, and I always make this differently every time. I usually add breadcrumbs, but I didn't have that, and we've had these saltine crackers. Oh my goodness, I was forgetting the name. In the pantry forever. I've had sauces in the fridge forever that I've been trying to use up, and so I just mixed a ton of things together. Just topped it with a can of home canned barbecue sauce, and then I just baked it. And right here, I am just hard boiling some eggs to put on top of our salad. We really like hard-boiled eggs on our salad, and it's a great way to use up our fresh farm eggs. We have been enjoying salads literally every night for like the last few weeks. So it's just been really fun to have fresh lettuce again. And I also picked some radishes. These were the French breakfast radishes that I added to the salad. And yeah, I just made a quick salad for dinner. So I did heat up some baked beans that I made. These were in my freezer and I needed to use them up. So that was dinner that night. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed these pantry meals, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.